Oh my lord. At least some trees over there gonna get strike for what storm I am, guys. Guys, y'all do not understand where I'm in Kershaw with one of the biggest storms of the decade right now. I was being dramatic on that, not of the decade. But still, it's a very big storm, and I do not know if this is going to mess up Kershaw. Probably is not going to. But anyway. So yeah, thunder is happening, guys. You know the feeling. I got Crocs on. And I am scared. I am very, 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 very scared. I'm just talking like that because I want to. I am very scared. Can I be honest with y'all, guys? I'm not scared at all. It's just thunder. And my mama is that probably coming home or at the doctor with my grandma Grace. Yeah. Shout out to people saying I'm a con. Shout out to the person saying I'm a conso. I'm sorry if I'm annoying y'all because I just stutter a lot. So that's gonna be a part of my channel for a while. One of my cousins' account got hacked. But yeah, there is a big storm and I am scared. Not scared, but I don't feel that comfortable because I can't call nobody on this phone. Guys, shout out to all my cousins. This is a big storm. They live in Lancaster and Kershaw. That's one of their houses, if you don't know. But y'all, I'm gonna go out there. No, I'm too scared. I'll see y'all later. Make sure. I hope you know we don't raise thugs, we raise academics.